my wasabis, this is Jirbie from Couchwasabi. So for today, you're up for another H Proper Roaster coffee review video. This is a company based in CDO, but they also have a satellite office here in Manila. So if you want to try any of their coffee, just shoot them a DM through Instagram and they'll send it to you the next day. It's so fast, it's so convenient. Anyway, today I'll be trying out their Ethiopian Guji Uraga. So if you're interested to see how this would fare, then please keep watching. Okay, so it's my first time to try it out. Today I'll be using my favorite, very affordable Daiso dripper. I'm not in any way sponsored by this company, but it's just that I feel that it's so affordable. It takes away all the intimidating factors in trying out coffee home brewing. Plus, the filter is also super cheap, only 88 pesos for this 90-piece filter. It's like the cheapest that I've seen. So to everyone who's been messaging me na parang nakaka-intimidate mag-brew ng coffee at home, don't be. All you need is go to Daiso. Meron na sila sa Shopee. Buy their dripper, buy their filters. Go get a kitchen scale. This is about less than 500 pesos. You don't even have to buy the one with timer. Download Brew Timer app on your phone. That's like the cheapest setup that you can get. And invest in a good hand grinder. You can buy this Porlex or you can buy timer, whatever. Just buy a good, reputable grinder. Okay, so let me check if I have water. Okay. Let me just boil that up so I can preheat my stuff and start opening this batch of coffee. In my last H Proper Coffee Roaster video, I tasted the coffee that has a pronounced black. In fact, it's like jasmine tea. Jasmine tea siya na lasa. Ito naman, ang taste profile niya is black tea pa rin, but it has honey, peaches, and caramel. So it has a lot of those sweet tasting notes that I hope I'll be able to capture. Harley, the owner of H Proper Coffee Roasters, advised me to make sure to use 100 degrees of water. So it has to be freshly boiled and wambam kablam agad. Okay. It smells so good also. But oh yes, I can capture the peach notes. Oh my god, it's my first time. Oh my god, it's my first time to have smelled a local coffee na talagang may peach. Oh wow, that's so amazing. I mean, this is not local coffee, but a local coffee brand na talagang na-capture yung peach. So good. Okay, so this was roasted last August 20, and according to Harley, the way they roast things is kind of different. Kaya yung peak niya is dapat a month after roast date. So a month after roast date, dapat no September 20, pwede na siya. It's already September 30. So that's okay. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, even the beans are cute. They're tiny. I'll follow Rao's settings for today, as advised by Harley. So 22 grams. Oh, it's so cute. Ang cute no ano niya, beans niya. Ang liliit. And very light colored. Oh, so cute. I'm so excited to brew this. Kasi naamoy ko agad yung peach notes. So excited. Okay, let me just preheat this and throw away whatever I have to throw away. And okay, add water. As you can see, today I am using Brita water, as it should be. Now that I've already preheated my brewing equipment, let me just throw this out. Today I will be grinding enough for myself. Look at this batch of beans. It's so cute. Ang liliit. It's so cute and light colored. So like ako, I really like medium to light roast. I don't know why. I don't really like the bold, dark flavors, but okay. Let me just double check what kind of grind I need for today. Medium fine. Okay, I think this is medium fine. Stop. Let me just check my grind. Ang bango niya. Oh my god, this is so good. Even while grinding, it smells so good. This is so much better than the first one, to be honest. Or perhaps I'm just always drawn towards like the sweeter kind of cup. And this one has that. At its dry state, parang sobrang aromatic lang niya talaga. The other one had, ano notes niya? It was jasmine, tea, and guava. So it was meant to be a little sour, I guess. Not my favorite, but it was also good. Pero ito mas okay kasi mas marami siyang sweet notes. And upon opening the package, I instantly captured the peaches, which is like really good. I haven't really had that except for that one special bean that I tried in my sensory spark class, which was really, really mind-blowing. Oh my god, this is so good. Ang bango niya talaga. Not kidding. The sweetness is really pronounced at its dry state. How does it make me feel? It makes me feel good. It makes me feel excited. I love it. I'm excited to try it. I want to get everything right now. I'm gonna make sure na dapat 100 degrees as advised by Harley. I can follow RAW settings. I want to be able to capture this. I'm not exaggerating. It's really fragrant. Galing. Ah, it's so good. Ang bango niya talaga. Alright, so I'm boiling my water to make sure that I get it at 100 degrees. Super boiling. And I would need 360 ml of water. Alright, so it's about to come to a boil. I need 350 ml of water. Yan, nag-stop na siya. To wait a little. And pour. Okay, this is about 400 plus. Very close. It's still going up though. So anyway, that's freshly boiled water. Para hindi siya lumamig, I'll cover it na. And I'll start with my brew. Okay, let's start. I need to stand up. Okay. It says I also need to swirl. Just swirl a little bit. Baliktad naman. Although it says here, 94 degrees lang yung kay Rao, but I'm just following Harley's advice. Dapat daw 100 degrees of water to maximize the extraction, to be able to capture all the flavor notes that your coffee bean is packing for you. And he was also telling me about the way they roast things is differently. That is why their peak date is different. It's 30 days after roasting date versus most of the other coffee beans that I've tried na parang 3 to 7 days, 5 to 7 days, a week. Meron isa instant you can. So he's telling me na pag ganun kasi, the sooner you peak, the sooner you also see it degrade. Kaya mas okay yung mas matagal yung peak kasi mas matagal din siyang mag-degrade. It makes sense, theoretically, when I think about it. It makes sense. Ayan. This is 295. I will just remove it na so it doesn't over-extract. I did grind it too fine because my extracted coffee ground is kind of muddy. So baka masyadong fine, but let us try it. I am so excited for this cup. It has a very refreshing and clear taste. Definitely, walang bitter notes kagaya nung the Lipay one. The Lipay one, every after sip, there's like a bitter and note to it, but it doesn't linger on your tongue, that one. This one is very clean, very suave, refreshing. Exactly what I like. And what I love about this is that at its dry state, you can clearly capture the peach notes. It's very aromatic, especially when you're grinding it. Talagang naaamoy siya. It's really impressive. I've tried a couple of other Ethiopian beans. I think this is my third Ethiopian Guji beans. I'm not so sure. Parang ito na yung third. I've tried Guji na before. It's not as fragrant as this. It doesn't have sweet notes, to be honest. Perhaps ang na-capture ko lang doon yung parang pagka-black tea niya and the tea type of it. Ito lang, I can truly, honestly say that there are sweet notes in it. And it's amazing. I love it. Thank you so much, H Proper Roasters. I really appreciate this batch of beans. Like, even during the time that I was buying different local beans, most of them didn't really capture the fruitiness that I'm looking for. Perhaps it's the limitation of the local bean itself. I'm not so sure. But they say naman there are regions in our country na merong sweet flavor notes. It's just that it's so hard to capture it. Like Master Lyndon says na, you know, sometimes even if inherently meron siyang ganung characteristic, sometimes also the environment can affect it. What if that batch, diba, there's something that happened in the environment, so medyo sumablay dun sa batch na. And I really agree kasi like with the Surgelon beans, I bought that because I had a friend who told me na meron siyang jackfruit notes and all those stuff, but the one that I got, I feel wala. I mean, it's not just me. I've also let other people try it. So, wala talaga. So, we'll see. I don't know. This batch at least, has a really nice, sweet-smelling peach scent talaga, as in. I love it. Thank you. Thank you so much, Hardy. I really love it. And it's really very suave. Oh my god, this is like one of my favorites, this cup. What does it take to be my favorite cup of coffee? I like it when it's suave. I like it when it's clear. The clarity is there. But of course, the clarity is sometimes affected by the way you brew it, right? I like it when it's suave. It doesn't leave an off-putting, lingering black taste. I like a very refreshing cup. I like a cup that I can drink in the morning, at night, whenever. I don't like it when I can categorize a cup na parang, ay, pang umaga lang to, or ay, kailangan pagising ka lang nito. Ayoko ng ganon. I want a versatile cup, and all of that, like everything that I really wanted in a cup is in here. Well, close to it, because I would have wanted it to be sweeter, like the one that I tasted. But this is close to that. At least at its dry state, I can easily identify that there's stone fruit in it. I wish you guys replied when I was looking for that stone fruit thing. Oh, so good. But you know what? Doesn't matter because I have it now. And I really love this cup. Oh my god, thank you so much, H Proper Coffee Roasters. You guys must be doing something really right in your roasting kasi the other Guji that I've tried, I don't remember tasting sweet notes or even smelling sweet notes. There are creaminess into it pero wala yung sweet notes. This one, you can really smell the peachiness of it. Okay, now that I'm drinking it, I can also taste something fruity, but it's not sweet. Parang may fruitiness into it. I just can't pinpoint, but there is definitely fruitiness. Honey, I'm not so sure. Perhaps caramel, I can. And you know what? Even if they noted here na black tea, hindi masyadong pronounced yung black tea dito. Unlike the other one, the first one that I've tried, mas black tea yun. Mas nangingibabaw yung blackness of it. Overall, this one to me is just nicer. It fits right within my range. I really love it. Even if I feel na hindi ko siya na perfect kasi my grind is too muddy. But every cup, every sip, I can sense something fruity in there. Oh, it's so good. And even yung end note niya, it doesn't come down as bitter. The end note is something elevated. I'm not sure if you know what I mean, but yung end note niya, it doesn't die down flat. It's something elevated. It's really good. Now that it's cooling down further, that's when I can taste more of the black tea. And then there are slight sour notes into it. So as the temperature goes down, the complexity or the dimension of the coffee flavor is building na. Overall, I would say this is a 9 out of 10. 9 being because I always think that there's a room for improvement. Also, I don't like the 9 itself is not a deduction towards the brand. I mean, towards the bean. Perhaps it's also because of my grind. I didn't perfect the grind kasi muddy nga. But it's one of the best batches of beans that I've ever tried in this channel so far. My benchmark of best is the one that I tasted in the class, which has a very pronounced sweet-smelling aroma during its dry state and a very pronounced sweet-smelling, fragrant, flavorful aroma even brewed. This one will come close to that kasi this one has a very sweet aroma at its dry state. Even when grinding, it's very aromatic as in. And after brewing, when you taste it, you can still capture all of those fruity notes, all of its dimension, as compared to the other ones that I've tried na parang nasaan ng jackfruit, nasaan ng ganyan. It's mind-blowing. I love it. I love it. It's really good. If you want to gift someone a bag of beans, I honestly would vouch for this. Please get in touch with them and try it. It's really good. So good. I would really want this kahit walang kasabay na dessert because you don't really have to mask anything with it. It's really good, I swear. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Even if I try to analyze the taste as it dies down, wala akong masabing negative. It's just a very pleasant cup of coffee. And even the taste notes, like now, I'm trying to capture, okay, what do I have to say about this? What do I have to say about this? It's just really pleasant from end to end. Anyway, guys, I guess that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this review as much as I enjoyed trying it out, as much as I enjoyed tasting it. Again, thank you so much, H Proper Coffee Roasters, for sending me your beans. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It's really one of the best that I've tried. I would go back to you after I finish this. Thank you so much. And if you have any other coffee suggestions that you would want me to try, please shoot me a DM. I'd love to hear what you think. If you've ever tried H Proper Coffee Roasters, don't forget to shoot them down below through the comments. I'd love to hear what you'd have to say. And I'll see you on my next coffee video. Bye!